It's a beautiful morning from Disney's Contemporary Resort for day 2 of the MMT conference. So Evan and I are going to run down and grab some breakfast, and then it is time for a general session.
During the general session, I got to speak with fellow agents about the agency training courses I helped create.
Had to stop for a little coffee break here at Joffrey's. We're at Contemporary Grounds here in the main lobby. You walk right in those doors from the parking lot, and then it's right here. And right over here is the entrance to the convention center where all of our meetings have been.
Joffrey's is known for their seasonal beverages as well as their beverages that are themed after different Disney parks and Disney resorts. So it's definitely worth checking out a Joffrey's whenever you have the opportunity. So I'm heading back to the Fantasia Ballroom because we are about to do several hours worth of vendor speed networking. And so that is time where we get to meet with different vendors for lots of different travel destinations. They talk to us about kind of what they offer and how to best serve you as our clients, and also how we can become even better experts in their destination. Of course, we were treated to snack time Disney style.
I have a little bit of a break, so I figured I would show you all around the bottom floor of the Contemporary's lobby. So the second floor is mostly ballroom space. The third floor is where the dining locations and the shops are. But this first floor is home to the check-in desk, bell services, as well as a cute little coffee shop. Kids like the echo in here, as you can tell. Over here is bell services, where you can drop off your luggage and they can hold on to it for you if your flight is a little late or if your room's not ready yet. Some cool Mary Blair inspired art over here on the walls. Over here is our check-in desk. All sorts of helpful cast members there. More contemporary art here on the wall. I love how when they redid this space, they kind of did a mixture of mid-century modern and contemporary. So it kind of leans into the fact that the contemporary now to us in design feels a little bit retro, even though it would have been very futuristic in 1971 when the parks first opened. Some cool artwork over here. These doors go out to the pool and the marina. Over here is Steakhouse 71, which is an incredible hidden gem of a restaurant. It is so amazing for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Table service, so make yourself a reservation there. Cool pictures of Walt and the early days of the park down there. Another cool kind of mid-century modern waiting space over here. Some monorail art over there. And then this goes up to the second floor, which again is ballroom space. Over here, just past bell services, is where you would exit to make your way down to the bus stop at the Contemporary. And we've made the whole loop all the way around. So now I'm going to head back to the convention center for our next meeting. So we finished up with our vendor speed networking, which was great. And then I had about 2 hours before we have to get changed and get over to our admin support staff appreciation event tonight, which I'm super excited about. I will show you where that's going to be and what we're going to do here in a little bit. But Evan and I are running to get him some dinner because he will be doing photo and video during the event, so he probably will not have time to eat. So we're gonna grab some food, and I got that grilled cheese sandwich again with the tomato soup because I can't get off it. It's addictive. So I'm gonna have that as a snack because I think we're just doing heavy hors d'oeuvres for our event tonight. So you gotta eat before, you go over and eat some more, right?
The support staff cocktail reception was a time honoring anyone who has a supporting role in our agency, and it was hosted in the Napa Valley Room up at California Grill at the top of the Contemporary Resort. This is a beautiful venue offering panoramic views of the Magic Kingdom, and it's the perfect place to watch the fireworks. In fact, I'll leave you with our view of the fireworks from the private observation deck outside. This was easily my favorite part of our entire conference and one of my favorite things I've ever done at Disney World.